New leaks about the DJI Avata 360 have just surfaced, and this time the information is the most complete we've seen so far. In this video, we'll go through the official price list, watch the second teaser in a more traditional format, take a look at some promotional videos shared by influencers, and reveal the exact dates for the launch in China and in the global market. In previous videos, we showed the first official information about the DJI Avata 360, which revealed a new strategy from DJI for launching new drones. From now on, the company seems ready to reduce the mystery by releasing several teasers in advance. In addition, it will likely intensify the release of real images, official prices, and technical specifications ahead of the launch. But the most recent update was the release of the second teaser for the DJI Avata 360. It was posted on the official channels of DJI on March 10th, following this new launch strategy for upcoming drones. The teaser begins by creating a mysterious atmosphere, showing the movement of its lenses. Then it ends looking downward, as if observing the world from above, from an angle never seen before. This idea is reinforced by the final message, "Above it all. See it all." And right below it comes the confirmation everyone was waiting for. The official launch date, March 26th. This teaser followed the more traditional pattern of other promotional videos, where DJI usually releases a mysterious and enigmatic clip, revealing only small parts of the new drone. The strategy is to highlight new features or some groundbreaking technological innovation, sparking curiosity without fully revealing its secrets. Another new element in DJI's launch strategy is the release of videos made by influencers. This is the first time we've seen this type of content being posted before the official launch, and in the last few hours social media has been practically flooded with dozens of these videos. It's already a tradition for some specialized channels to receive new drones in advance, giving them time to test the products and prepare videos to publish on launch day. But this is the first time DJI has allowed creators to share content before the drones are even available in stores. One interesting detail I noticed in this video appears in this frame, which shows the bottom of the DJI Avata 360 for the first time. It reveals something quite surprising. The drone does not have any optical sensor on the underside. Instead, it only has the traditional pair of infrared sensors used to measure the distance from the ground. This reinforces a theory I mentioned in my previous videos. When the drone is flying in 360 mode, it may rely on an omnidirectional anti-collision system. But since we already know it will likely have only 4 forward sensors, I believe the DJI Avata 360 could use the images captured by its 360 degrees lenses as optical sensors. These images could work together with the other sensors and the LiDAR system, creating a powerful obstacle avoidance system that protects the drone from all directions. Recently, several real images of the Avata 360 have also appeared. In this post by Igor Bogdanov, we can compare its size, and it's clear that it will be slightly larger than the Avata 2. But this was already expected. In my previous videos, I mentioned this several times, since the new drone will have a battery with about 20% more capacity, and its weight is expected to be around 400 grams. That means it will be roughly 6% heavier than the 377 grams of the Avata 2. In this post, by Jasper Ellens, we can see a sequence of high-resolution photos that reveal more details of the DJI Avata 360. For example, we can clearly see the front sensor system, with 2 optical sensors on the lower section, and 2 LiDAR sensors positioned just above them, one acting as the transmitter and the other as the receiver. We can also identify the 2 screws that, in the first leaked images, looked like some kind of sensor. And there is another interesting detail: the air intake used to cool the internal components. It appears to be designed to take advantage of the airflow generated by the propellers, which eliminates the need for an additional cooling fan that would otherwise increase the drone's weight. In this other photo, the camera module with the one-axis gimbal is highlighted. It will rotate 90 degrees to switch between FPV mode and 360 mode. We can also clearly see the replaceable lens system, which includes small grooves designed to make it easier to unscrew the lenses, allowing them to be quickly replaced if needed. Another visible detail is the front air intake used for ventilation, along with the cooling fins that help dissipate the heat generated by the two optical sensors of the 360-degree camera. In this photo, we can see the Avata 360 next to the Avata 2, and now it's much easier to notice the size difference between the two models. As we mentioned earlier when analyzing the previous images, the Avata 360 will be slightly larger and heavier. This image also highlights another change: the color. DJI appears to have abandoned the graphite color used on the Avata 2 and adopted a new light gray tone, which has become the standard on many of the company's most recent drones. In this very recent post by Igor Bogdanov, we can see for the first time real images of the Fly More combo of the Avata 360. The kit follows the same pattern as the more complete combos from DJI, including the drone, the RC Motion 3, the Goggles N3, a carrying bag, 3 batteries, an intelligent charging hub, and the other basic accessories. And since we're talking about the combos, let's take a look at the official prices. The Avata 360 will come in 4 different combo options. The first one will include only the drone and 1 battery. This version is intended for people who already own controllers or goggles from other drones. It is listed at €459. However, this price will most likely be the reference price for the Chinese market, and for the global market, the price will probably be slightly higher. The second option will be the Fly More combo with the RC2. It will include the Avata 360, the RC2 controller, a carrying bag, 3 batteries, an intelligent charging hub, and the other basic accessories. This combo will be priced at €939. The third option is the one we just saw in the leaked images. It will include the Avata 360, the RC Motion 3 controller, the Goggles N3, along with the same accessories from the previous combo. This combo is also expected to be priced at €939. And finally, there is a new option, the Premium combo. This package will offer a complete flying experience, because it will include the RC2 for those who prefer flying in normal mode, and also the Goggles N3 for those who enjoy flying in FPV mode. In addition, it will come with the same accessories included in the previous combos. This bundle will be priced at €1,159. The prices of some accessories have also been revealed. The Intelligent Flight Battery will cost €79. The replacement lens kit will cost €21, and the propellers will be priced at €9 each. In this post, the main specifications of the Avata 360 were revealed. The drone will feature 2 sensors close to 1 inch in size, each with 64 megapixels, offering an impressive 200-degree field of view, and an 1.9 aperture. This will be the key feature that makes the drone appear invisible. The gimbal will have only 1 axis, and it will rotate 90 degrees to switch between FPV mode and full 360-degree mode. However, it will also have an additional 60 degrees of movement, allowing it to provide mechanical image stabilization. On top of that, the system will include digital 360-degree stabilization, which will compensate for the other axes during flight. The battery will have a theoretical flight time of 23 minutes, which means there is only a small improvement compared to the Avata 2, which offers 21 minutes of flight time. The transmission range will be up to 20 kilometers, and in this aspect there is nothing new, since this has already become the standard distance for most drones that use 04 transmission system. And finally, it was confirmed that the Avata 360 will also include autonomous flight modes, such as active track and quick shots, in addition to the traditional return to home, which is already a common feature in most drones from DJI. And to wrap up this video, let's talk about the most anticipated news, the official release date. In fact, there will be two different launch dates. The release for the Chinese market is scheduled for Thursday, March 26th. The global launch will happen 15 days later, on April 9th. However, there is an important detail. Rumors of a possible delay have already started to circulate, potentially due to issues in the supply and distribution chain. As soon as I have more information, I'll make another video. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.